What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be installing the JSP Carbon Fiber Gurney flap on my 05 STI. Now before we get into the installation, there are a couple things you guys will need. Now the first one is going to be some 3M tape, and then you'll also want some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface, and the last thing you guys will need is a microfiber towel to clean. All right. With that out of the way, let's get into the installation. All right, so step one is going to be to clean the area. So what you guys are just going to want to do is put some rubbing alcohol on your towel and just give it a quick wipe down, basically. Boom. Now that is all done. So let's go to the next step. So the next thing you guys are going to want to do is put 3M tape on the back of your gurney flap. You might want to put some masking tape in the center of the gurney flap as well as your wing so you can center it up. And then after you've done that, you're basically ready to install it. So after you guys have gotten your 3M tape on the back of the gurney flap, what you guys are going to want to do is peel a little bit off. Don't peel the whole thing off. Just a little bit, because if you peel the whole thing off and then you place it on the wing and you don't like where it's at, it's going to be a pain in the ass to take it off and readjust it. So that's why you just peel a little bit off. After you've done that, center your gurney flap on the wing and then basically just peel the backing right off and you're set. It's super simple, just like that. Well, that is all I got for you guys today in this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, turn it blue. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I also will leave a link to the gurney flap in the description below if you want to pick one up for yourself. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.